Hello friends, welcome back to the XRepair channel. In this video, I will show you how to repair corrupted audio files. Go to XRepair.com, then download and install XRepair Genius. This is the reliable audio repair software that can help fix corrupted audio files in minutes. Open the software. Click the audio repair feature. Then hit the Add Audio button. OK, the audio is added. Now go to click the Repair button. The audio file is successfully repaired. Finally, click the Save button to save it locally. You can select any folder to save it. That's all for the video. I will see you in the next tutorial.